Hey guys, in the last video, we've set up an image carousel in our homepage. In this video, we're going to set up a REST API service that will be used for API calls. Let's start by opening up our PowerShell window, then typing in ng generate service REST API. Enter. Now run ng serve again. Let's open up our text editor and open app-module.ts. Here, we've imported our REST API service and declared it as a provider. Now, let's open up our REST API service. Here, we've imported our HTTP client and declared inside the constructor. We've also created the get method and a post method. The get method gets the resource using the link provided and returns the result as a promise. The same is being done for the post method as well. The request body is being posted to the link and returned as a promise. In this video, we've created a service that will make get and post HTTP calls. In the next video, we'll be setting up the data service, which will be used to store data.